YouTube family, what's going on? Sean Boyle here. In this one, we're going to tackle the age-old question, are virtual tours worth it? And we're starting right now. What's going on, guys? If you haven't yet, stop, go to our YouTube channel, click subscribe, and click that little bell too, so you get notifications whenever we post a new video. You will be the first person to know. Thank you so much for the support, and now the video you've been wanting to watch. All right, guys, the age-old question, are virtual tours worth it? This is a question I get a lot, especially with real estate agents, and the short answer is yes. So if you just want to watch this video and get a short answer, yes, they're worth it, 100%. If you want to have a long-form version, watch the full video. So I want to take you guys on a little journey of 4 different industries of niches that we have personally shot. We actually just posted this to the website this week, so really excited. But just taking you through 4 different niches, whether you're in, I'll just tell you right now, we're going to go through some schools, commercial real estate, event venues, and restaurants. Those 4 niches, just to really give you guys a ballpark of, how these virtual tours can really impact your niche, okay, and why they're worth it at the end of the day, right? Cool. So first and foremost, we are going to start with the wonderful Paul VI High School. Okay. Now, guys, we actually shot Paul VI, I believe it was this summer in August. Okay. And we were able to dramatically increase their overall enrollment due to COVID. Okay. And we did this with over 12 virtual tours and a 60-second drone video, okay? So I don't think we added all 12 virtual tours here, but you can see the drone video, which we did. I'm not gonna play all of it. Oh, that's not good. So we'll definitely put that back in. But yeah, that's really weird. So all good. But yeah, so guys, first and foremost, the virtual tours that we do, I'm just gonna download them right now. These show off the school. They wanted to do different rooms in different centers. You can see we're doing the dining hall, the classroom. I'll let these render. And you can put in, obviously, different tags, different things that you want to include in the tour as well. Dining hall, obviously more food related stuff and menu oriented. Media center, just overall school curriculum, showing off some of the technology. Obviously they use a lot more technology in general, with maybe an iPad, maybe I don't know if in a Catholic school you can use your iPhone, but they're definitely incorporating iPhones. I went to Roman Catholic High School in Philadelphia, the best high school in America, and we were actually the first class that used iPads. So I remember that was pretty cool. But anyway, this is the robotics lab, and again, the whole premise for a high school, why is it worth it, is because you're showing off all of your great amenities, right? All 12 different, whether it's the media center, cafeteria, all this stuff. We're showing it off in a way that you can see it online. Obviously, we're still in COVID time, so it's perfect. If you child that's in middle school that's looking to find a Catholic high school, these guys are in New Jersey, and you're like, okay, Catholic high schools in New Jersey, that's what you type in on Google, and you find Paul VI and you check out this virtual tour. Why would you not want to sign up, right? Why would you not want to say, oh my God, they're up to speed, they're up to date on what's going on in the world, right? And how cool is this? I mean, let's just be honest, folks, this is just really cool at the end of the day. So that's why they're going to give it a second glance. And again, the coolness factor is not ultimately why they're going to, sign the dotted line and be a student. It's just to get the door, get them in the door. Okay, get them in the door, schedule a call with the school, and go from there. Okay, so that's Paul VI. Paul VI, great school. Like I said, we shot 12 virtual tours in that 60-second drone video, which I'm sorry about that, guys. I wish it would be working. I'm not really sure why. But anyway, just want to continue on. To NextFab. All right. So if you guys follow my Instagram, Sean Boyle M as in Michael, we were actually at NextFab today shooting some ads. We were actually in the North Philadelphia location, and NextFab, guys, is a engineering workroom where people can go in and really just, hone their craft. That's really what these virtual tours are all about. For NextFab is just honing your craft if you're an engineer, architect, builder, etc. And the great thing is that, obviously, again, you're showing off this wonderful room. You have your own locker. And look at this. I mean, it's so funny. We were here today. We were actually shooting this right here. It was amazing. And it was fantastic just to check out all these wonderful tools and machines and everything that NextFab has to offer their members at the end of the day. I remember a couple of hours ago, I had my goggles on and I had the, I had some tool in my hand, but, oh my God, it was so much fun. I love being here. It's just a really awesome place. I would urge you guys to check out this virtual tour on your own time, but this is fantastic. I mean, if you're an engineer or anyone who wants to build something, period, you're going to love this place. You are absolutely going to love this place. So that's the whole factor, really. Why are virtual tours worth it for, in this case, let's just call it commercial real estate, is because, again, we're showing off what they can offer in terms of the machines. Maybe someone's looking for a specific machine and you say, oh my God, in this matter tag, I have the, some welding thing. I don't know. I have something that's going to, work with my vision of what I'm trying to do, right? I took a half semester of engineering in college, and I will tell you guys that while I was doing that, there are millions upon millions of materials out there and machines and everything in general. So it has to be really specific. It has to be very, very specific, and that's why these virtual tours show off all of those machines and materials. All right, so that's NextFab for you guys. Next, I want to show you guys the premier, drum roll please, premier co-working space in Philadelphia. The Fittler Club, we shot this in March, I believe, of this year, but I'm just going to show you guys the offsite at Fittler Club. This is showing off the co-working space, and I mean, this is just fantastic. This is, people who have scheduled demos with me in the past, this is what I show you guys first and foremost. This is just, a really beautiful tour. Shout out to my guy, Hui. He was the guy who shot this. Just a fantastic job across the board. I didn't shoot this at all. My one photographer did. I'm so thankful to have a talented team like I do. I mean, my team is incredible. I would be nothing without them. That's for sure. But again, back to the same narrative. You're showing off the conference room. You're showing off all these different amenities. You're showing off, what the vibe's like at the end of the day. What does it mean to be a part of the Fittler Club? What am I going to be exposed to, right? Have this gorgeous snack bar right here that you can check out. Yeah, I mean, the pantry, I mean, you got a bunch of chips and skinny popcorn, it looks like. Yeah. So definitely an amazing place. And just look at this artwork too. I mean, look at all this beautiful artwork that you can go check out. And again, like I always say with these matter tags, you can put in certain links. Click here to learn more about Jane Irish's art. I don't know if that's a painting. I don't want to call it a painting, but piece of art, right? Again, more art. You can check out specific suites, and you can check out pretty much anything that you want. We shot four different tours. The space is like, I think 300,000 square feet. So it's not that big. It's like, I think a little over 125,000 square feet. That sounds about right. But anyway, you can just get a feel for it. Really what it is. View the dollhouse. And then I love checking out the highlight reel, which is that little button I just clicked. You can open up the highlights and just really get a feel for what you're looking at, right? Get a feel for what you're looking at. It's going to stitch together and do a little slideshow presentation, right, of what exactly you're looking at. So just a really awesome feature that you guys can definitely check out. We did the garden as well. This garden is this was an outdoor space at the Fittler Club. So you guys can check this out on your own time. And then the Fittler Club, this is a really, really unique space again, just to show off what this is. This is combining their, as you will soon see, their gym right here. There's 2 floors actually. And they also have, boxing. You can see right here, speed bag, machines, and just like the whole artwork. I mean, look at this backdrop. Look at the walls. It's the way you can show off this space, especially for a co-working space. It's phenomenal. It is absolutely phenomenal. And then obviously we can go by floor. So if you wanted to creep down to the pool, get a nice little swim, you can do that too. Do a 360. So that's the Fittler Club. And then last but not least, I want to take you guys on tours of the Fearless Restaurant Group. We have been working with them ever since, I think, last year. And this was a client that my business partner originally got for us. He knows Carrie and the Fearless team very, very well. As if I know them now too. They're really good clients of ours. And we shot, virtual tours, drone video, all this really, really wonderful stuff. I'll show you guys a sneak peek of what we did for them. Hopefully you guys can hear that audio. If not, it's all good. You can check it out on the website. But just really awesome work, right? I mean, this makes me smile. This makes me smile, the amount of passion and the amount of energy that we put into this. So that's fantastic. And then just, again, I don't want to go into too much detail here, but these are some of their beautiful restaurants. And again, for restaurants, you want more reservations, right? So how cool would it be if you could put a matter tag right here saying, oh, you want to sit right here? Cool. Click the link and you can sit right there. You can book a table. You can book a seat and time reservation for right there. It's wonderful. It's absolutely fantastic. And I know I keep using that word fantastic, but it is true. It is very, very true. You see Louie. And this is my personal favorite, the Moshulu. This is a ship, if you can't tell from the architecture, but you're literally out to sea. This is so cool. And where is it? The captain's table, I believe. This is right here. And the captain's table, they have pictures of people's faces on them. You can see right here. Let me go back a little more so you guys can get a better feel for it. Right there. So this is the captain's table. And I'm trying to think, whose faces are they? With faces that could have been those of the passengers during the decade of the Moshulu's travels. Okay, so these are potential passengers that could have been traveling on this large, just conglomerate of a vessel right here. And again, you just want to show off the space, and hey, you want to sit in the captain's table? Here you go. Here's the link. Here's more information to book it. There you go. So guys, in a nutshell, those are 4 niches. We went through schools, commercial real estate, event spaces, co-working spaces, and restaurants. These are, 4, 5 niches that I went through on why virtual tours are worth it. So at the end of the day, if you're questioning, oh, why are virtual tours worth it? This is why. Okay. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't yet, hit subscribe, leave a comment below, like the video. And what was your favorite niche? Was it restaurants, checking out the Moshulu? Was it colleges with Paul VI? Was it the Fittler Club? Right? Was it NextFab? A beautiful engineering facility. I'd love to hear it in the comments below. Thank you guys so much. And like always, build momentum, and I'll see you in the next one.